Hello, my juicy jelly beans. I'm going to be doing something totally different, at least for me. So I got this huge 50 centimeter mirror for $20 on Amazon, which I plan to sell for over 100. Sorry for the reflection of the lights. I promise not to show you my nostrils. This is going to be super easy to do, and the designs and makes are going to be endless. We're going to turn this from bland to... Where did you get this from? First up, we're going to be using Pebble Relief Paint in gold, so that it goes with the rim of the mirror. They come in various colours, and I will link everything I'm using today, plus any discount codes that I have in the description box. I've placed some paper towels to avoid getting tons of fingerprints, and so that the reflection doesn't bother you. Once you have taken off the seal, I like to squeeze a small amount to check how thick it is. If you want thicker lines, just cut the nozzle down to widen the tip. I've decided to go for circles. Well, with my jackhammer hands, circles are practically impossible, even if my life depended on it. A friend of mine said, "Well, they look organic." Begin to do different sizes all around the rim of the mirror. Decide how far in you want to go. Any mistakes, just use a Q-tip and a bit of isopropyl alcohol. I left it to dry for 24 hours to make sure it was completely hard and dry. I've chosen my Let's Resin alcohol inks in lemon yellow, orange, bright red, peach red, violet, sky blue and emerald green. We will also be using Let's Resin high viscosity UV resin. This UV resin is thicker than the low viscosity and perfect for doming. Grab a disposable pot and a wooden stick. Pour some UV resin into the cup. Not much, just a small amount. We can always make more. Then add a few drops of alcohol ink. I'm starting off with the emerald green. Decide how dark you want it and stir it all up. Add more drops of colour if needed. Begin to drop some coloured UV resin into the circles. Hot tip: before you start, divide the mirror into the amount of colours you want to use. We're going to be using 7. Therefore, we need to divide the mirror into 7 parts, so that we have more or less equal amounts of colour going around the rim. Once you've decided the area for one colour, begin to add the coloured UV resin. Any mistakes or mishaps, use a Q-tip and some isopropyl alcohol to clean it up. Cure with a UV lamp as you go along. Now it's time for the next colour. This is the sky blue. Repeat the same process and don't forget to cure. All done. Quick, simple and ready to mingle. Give it a good clean with some window cleaner. Do it softly. For the top coat, I'm going to be using Let's Resin 1:1. I've mixed up 300 ml and I've already put it in my bubble popper. Pour the content onto the mirror and use a spatula to spread it all around. Or even better, get down and dirty and use your hands to spread it around. Once you get to the corners, make sure to use a spatula to avoid getting resin on the rim. Big, juicy thank you to all my subscribers and channel members. If you enjoy my content, please like and subscribe, as that would really help my channel. Pretty please. Go over the whole piece with a heat gun to eliminate any bubbles and leave it to completely dry. Keep watching for the end results. Toodles!